很好, which means very good in Chinese. Well, Amigo here is also very talented. He can sing 3 different songs from 3 different languages. First song is a children's local song entitled Cơ Rên Lại, which means a guest comes to visit. Listen, Amigo, let's sing in Mandarin.
Cơ Rên Lại, Thanh Bạc Bạc, Bạc Bạc, Phật Đại Gia, Phật Thị Cơ Rên Đại Gia, Đại Thị Tế Hạ.
There you go, word for word, Cơ Rên Lại, everyone. The second song is a Malay song, originated from Indonesia, entitled Rasa Sayang, which means feelings of love. A very romantic word. Amigo, let's sing Rasa Sayang.
Rasa sayang, rasa sayang, lihat nuna daur, sana, sana.
Hey, a very melodious song made by Amigo. And last song is an English song, but before that, today is the 9th of March. Anyone celebrating your birthday today? Oh, sorry, today is 5th of March. I'm going future. Well, anyone celebrating your birthday today? There you go, one up there, sir. Any more that I miss on my left side? In the middle, anyone celebrating your birthday? So far, I've got 1. There you go, 1 up there, 2, 3. On my right, anyone celebrating your birthday? No one. Okay, this song is for the 3 of you. Ready, amigo? Let's sing.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
A happy birthday to all of you who are celebrating here in the bird park. Well, Amigo has done very well this afternoon. Can everyone wave and say bye-bye to Amigo? Now it's your turn, Amigo.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
A round of applause for Amigo, everyone. Thank you.